Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. This is entry number 32 and this is from our very own Miss Josie, Jacletta McLaughlin. Hello, hello. What is all in here? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She gave me stuff for the quill. Look at that. Matte blush. Foil quill. We are memory keepers. Oh my gosh. I have yet to use it with the Cricut, guys. I have to learn to use it. I think there is a matte that I need to I don't know, I might be wrong, but thank you, Josie. Thank you for sharing that with me. Wow. So cute. Okay. Oh, she's got several envelopes. Look at all these goodies. What, lady? What? And she has a card. Okay, let me see. Let's open the card first. Okay. Really? You're such a wonderful reason to celebrate. Oh, that's a cute little card. Oh, that's fancy. Look at that. Hooray. Oh, that's so cute. That is so cute. I've never seen a card like that opens like that. It covers the whole message. Wow. Thank you, love. It's a beautiful card, guys. I love it. Josie, I love you, girl. Thank you for all the extra goodies. I see this one right here. I can see this is the memory decks because it has the little holes in it. So let's open this one right here in front of me. And she's got these gorgeous little what are these called? These little baggies. Oh my gosh. Josie, this is what? Josie. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous, guys. So there's, like 3 shades of pink in here and 3 sizes of pearls. Wow. Josie, thank you so much. You don't have to do that. Oh my gosh, you guys. Like I said, I'm not having any birthday celebration next year. This is all enough. Oh my goodness. Let's go see the next one. And, oh my goodness. Oh, these are gorgeous. The colorful clothespins. Oh my goodness. I love that. Look at the way she's got it displayed. It's so pretty. So there's 2 shades of pink here, guys. So it's a pale pink here. And it's a really pastel-y pink. Beautiful. And then she gave me some blues. A whole bunch of blues. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Josie. And you guys, because, she gave me, I believe this is a little embellishment box. It feels like it. Oh, Josie. Really? That is so pretty. Look at these. Oh my gosh. And that's these are brad centers that she put in the middle of those little flowers. But look at the layers. There's like texture and layers on the, and it moves, guys. So there's 2 different flowers here. These 2 are the same. And then you have this one right here. This is beautiful. And then she has this really big one right here with a doily in the background. So pretty, Josie. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Josie. So she has penguins and little teeny tiny peppermint. Can you guys see this? Oh my gosh, can you tell me? Let me know. And then she's got little teeny tiny envelopes. Oh my god, there's so much in here. Oh, and these little teeny tiny candy canes. Oh my gosh, like seriously, girly. Wow. Oh, it's just gorgeous. This is a gorgeous little mix. She's got all kinds, and then there's just the little white candies. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to hoard these for a little bit, just for a little bit, and then I'll think of sharing. I'll think about it. think really hard. Isn't that pretty? Look at all this in this little tiny space right here. Okay, because that's not enough. She's got little butterfly sequins in here, and these are some bittiest little bit tinier flowers. Okay, because this is a bead cap, the smallest little bead cap, flower bead cap. This blue one, so gorgeous. Oh, there's just all kinds of colors in this mix. There's flat back jemmies. Oh my God, really? Really, girl, Josie? Oh my gosh. I'm like dying here. I'm in love with all these itty bitties. Look at this flower. Oh my God. Wow, Josie. Thank you so much. There's so many itty bitty pearls here, guys. I can't even begin to show you every single one of them. The little bead cap, I love it. See that? Those are gorgeous. She must have got those at Allie. And then there's little teeny tiny polka dotty bows. Oh my God, I love these. These are gorgeous. Perfect. So here's Daisy, Minnie, Daisy, Minnie. Oh my gosh, so many cute little bows. Look at that purple. And they're solid colors. Look at that bow, it's so cute. Cutie patooties. There's even a black and white polka dot. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Thank you, Josie. Oh my gosh, I'm so spoiled. Spoiled. And then that wasn't enough. She added these little itty bitties. Oh my gosh. Josie, tell me you made these. Because girl, you need to sell these babies. These are beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at that blue. So beautiful. She's got black and pink. These are gorgeous colors. And then she also has these itty bitty tassels. Oh my gosh. Really? Beautiful. Josie. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so in love. Okay, so I'm going to skip over to this side, and she shared with me some of her, what is this? Seam binding. Some pink seam binding. And she's got these bigger flat back acrylic. Isn't that pretty? Look at this heart. And a little pink shell. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this. Thank you. Thank you for sharing with me, Josie. Look at this. Pink and white ribbon. So cute. She wrapped it on a little piece of paper. Okay, because the OCD in me wants to put these back in the little space. Okay. That is beautiful. And then look at these colors. These are so pretty. You must have hit AliExpress like hard, girl, like hard. Because I think these are AliExpress binder rings, right? Or maybe I'm wrong. Or maybe you painted them. Because if you painted them, wow. Beautiful. Thank you, Josie. Oh my gosh. Look. Look at what she just sent me. You guys. You guys. What? Josie, this is too much. Oh my goodness. Look at the little mini heads. Are you kidding me? These are blingy bling flat backs, and now that I have the little bail, I can add it to them. Look at it, super shiny. Girly, you hit AliExpress hard. I saw these. I did not pick them up because for some odd reason, I don't know, I thought I wasn't gonna get them in time, but anyway, thank you for sharing them with me. Oh my goodness. And look at this color. It's like a tan, like the perfect cup of a hot coffee with caramel mixed into it. That's what I'm thinking of. And she shared some flat back jemmies with me. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all these beautiful bling 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 bling. But those gorgeous things, oh my gosh, beautiful. Oh my goodness, girl, you shared a lot with me. And then she got me some pink lace. Look at that lace, guys. Look at that lace. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. And then she gave me some eyelet lace trim with a pink ribbon going through it. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, Josie, I haven't even got to your card yet. My goodness. Let me get into it. Thank you so much, Josie. Girl, you gave me so much. So much. Oh, I didn't even show this. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Look. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to explain the texture. And then it's, you hear that? Oh, these are gorgeous. Gorgeous little ice cream pops. Oh my gosh. Super cute, Josie. Thank you, hun. OMG. Thank you. My goodness. What a beautiful gift. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Look at her card. Oh my god. Her beautiful flower. Her gorgeous rosette. Look at that dimension to that rosette. And she's got it on some shimmer paper. It's not glitter, it's like shimmer. And then she's got these beautiful balloons and her little scooter right here. It says, "Hooray for you." This is a beautiful vellum flower, guys. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 layers, 5 layers. 5 layers of flowers, and then she's got this teeniest tiniest brad right there. That is beautiful. Okay, so she's got her info back here. She says Jocletta McLaughlin, and she's Josie's Craft on YouTube, and then she is Jocletta McLaughlin L on Instagram. And her birthday was June 16th. Happy belated birthday. And that is it. Her favorite color is blue. Who could have told you that? I could have told you that. So gorgeous. Love these little papers right here, the balloons. Oh my gosh, you guys. I will leave her link below. Please go check her out. What a beautiful entry. Thank you so much, Josie, for sharing all your goodies with me. My goodness, you really spoiled me, Josie. Thank you. I really appreciate you, and good luck to you on the giveaway. So I'll see you all on the next video, guys. Bye.